What is your niche?
It's just for the website development, so I'm
Website
not
development.
targeting. Yeah, so I'm not targeting particular niche in this.
Geography?
Uh,
Bangalore?
Bangalore, just Bangalore. So these are the creatives that I created.
Okay, can you scroll down a bit?
Mhm.
No, the creative itself. I just wanted to see whether yeah, there is subtitle. Okay, cool. Do I really need a
So
website? Okay, got it. Hmm.
I'm getting more traction for this one, the static one, rather than the videos that I created.
Can we have a look at CPM and CTR as well?
Uh,
Yeah. So
CTR
look
is
at,
here.
yeah. So just keep it over here only. Okay. Now look at, so you know that the CPC, okay,
Hmm.
is
Yes.
the division, okay, of
Hmm.
CPM and CTR, right?
Yeah.
Now look at your CTR. The one that is a static, the CTR is pretty high, which is 1.10. Okay.
Hmm.
Can you
Hmm.
show the static over here, or just show us the static? Hover over on that one.
Sure.
Yeah, these work really good. Okay, when you have something written, okay, on a whiteboard or on a piece of paper, or just or just on the tablet as well, they have
Hmm.
significantly better CPC and conversion rate than anything else. Why? Because
Okay.
one, it acts as a pattern interrupt. So when it is acting as a pattern interrupt, what it does is
Uh-huh.
that it stops people to read it. Now since you
Hmm.
have written everything and they are reading it, that's why click through rate is pretty high, because they are getting involved. They are not passively getting involved, they're actively getting involved. Passively getting involved is something like watching a reel and you don't have to do anything, but over here you have to read. So they have to invest their optical resources okay, in
Hmm.
that and comprehend it, and that's why you are getting a better conversion rate as well as CTR over here. Why I know that the conversion rate is good? Because your leads are 28 over here and your CTR is 1.10, so obviously, but the CPM is a bit on a higher side of this one. Then your
Oh.
video, Uday Shetty one, okay, Uday Shetty story. The Uday Shetty story has a better CPM than
Hmm.
this one, much better CPM than anything else. So that's that. But I'm just explaining you, how to look at the metrics. I still don't know what is the problem. I'm just telling you on a superficial level how should you look at these metrics. But please go
Sure,
ahead
sure.
and complete your question. Why I interrupted you was so that you know exactly how I look at things.
Got it. Got it. Got it. So initially, for 2 days, I was getting lead from these two campaigns, the video ones, but all
Hmm.
of them were junk leads. So
Hmm.
then, in the qualification question, in the instant forms, in the qualification questions, so I started verifying their phone numbers. Like it asks for the high intent and verify the phone numbers, right?
Hmm.
So I enabled that option. So after enabling that option, the campaign did not perform for 1 day, and the next and the rest of the days, so it started giving me good results. So I was hoping on this video ads, but I started getting results from the static ads.
Right.
So can you just tell me? I'll just go through this video. Can you just tell me what went wrong in this creative?
Okay. Yeah, please go ahead and play it out. Open ad preview. Okay, can you pause it? Okay.
Yes, Sannidhya.
Yeah, you can close it. No worries.
Uh-huh.
So the CPM that you're getting is really good over here. The reason is the plane. Okay.
Hmm.
All of a sudden it acts as a good pattern interrupt, but it has nothing to do with website development. Okay. Now
Correct.
tell me one
Hmm.
thing, okay, before I deduce further. The meta leads that you're
Uh-huh.
getting over here are 14 for this video. Are you
Uh-huh.
also including the time range that was prior to you making the changes inside the form, or is it something that is post the changes only? 6 June to 13 June.
Okay, so the 14 leads that I got from this creative, it was before the changes. So
When
that
did you
is
make the change?
I made the changes on 7th
Yeah,
evening. So
let's do it from 8th to 13th. Okay. Okay. Now, okay, so now scroll. No, don't scroll. Okay, just CPC is also see now the CPC is also increasing of the Uday Shetty video. Earlier the CPC was really low. Okay, so the
mhm,
CPC
mhm,
also depends upon the toughness of the conversion as well. Now that it is seeing that you are not getting that many amount of conversions or meta leads on the
mhm,
same video, so it has started increasing the CPC for you because you have made sure
mhm,
that that is happening. Now let me
mhm.
reiterate your question. Your question is basically, why are you not getting the same amount of leads on the videos as you're getting on static, right?
Correct, correct.
Okay, so the first thing is, static is a good pattern interrupt.
Mhm,
Okay, second thing is
mhm.
they are getting actively involved in reading everything on the static.
Okay.
Third thing is, you want more people to be of high quality. So just
Yeah.
understand this thing: the people who come after watching a video and the people who come
Mhm,
after reading something,
mhm.
always the people who read would be much better and much educated and much warmer than people who have just watched the video. This is a rule of thumb.
Oh. Uh-huh.
Okay, and also
Mhm,
the the static image that you have created similar to that one. Okay, not the
mhm.
fancy
Got it.
ones. Okay, the banner images
Oh,
and all, I'm not talking about those. I'm talking about this
got it.
specific one because this is an ugly image. Okay, ugly image always gives you better results.
Okay, okay, got it.
Second thing over here is that the videos that you have put over here are headshot videos. Headshot
Uh-huh.
videos stopped working long ago. Okay,
Okay.
can you open
Uh-huh.
Instagram?
Yeah.
Open my Instagram. Okay, just type Instagram and then Sannidhya Baweja. Yeah, just pick up that one. Okay, now scroll down and go to Reels section. Scroll up, go to Reels section. The first video that you see over there, just click on it and play
Mhm.
it. That's all. Okay, yeah, yeah, just close it. Okay, so I don't think you're using any one of those, right?
Mhm. Mhm.
Use one of them or two of them, and then
Mhm.
see the changes.
Hey, I hope you liked the video, and if it made you wonder whether your Facebook ads could be performing better, that's exactly what we help businesses figure out. Now, most of the time, the problem isn't obvious. It could be your strategy, your creatives, your tracking, or the way your account is being managed. So, if you want clarity on what's actually hurting performance, click the link in the description and book an audit. So, it's a paid audit because we take the time to properly review your account, identify the real bottlenecks, and do a proper diagnosis. So, if you are running Facebook ads and want to know what is wrong with your account, then click the link below and book your audit. Also, understand that this is a diagnosis call. We'll not be able to prescribe you the medicine over here. Okay, we'll just tell you what's wrong with your account, and if it makes sense, then we can explore the opportunity to work together. That's all. And it is paid because diagnosis does take time and it requires a lot of attention. So, in order for you to be serious and us also to be serious, that's why it's a paid call. So, if you are serious about scaling your Facebook ads, then click the link in the description and book the audit call right now.